You start by take double leaf. Okay, it's double. Just take double leaf and you just hold this card, okay, with your fingers in the edge right here. Okay, so to execute the chain, okay, we just do this. We just tilt, okay, your deck like this, and you just flick this card with your thumb. Okay, you just flick twice, one and two, and the third you just pull the top card. Okay, one, two, you just pull the card like this. At the same time you just roll back the deck like this. Okay, so here, remember, just hold this card, okay, this position at the very edge. Okay, tilt your deck and just flick the card like this. Okay, you can do it twice, and the third you just separate the card like this. Okay, so in front, okay, from this angle, okay, you do this, one, two, and three, just separate and just display like this. Okay, time. Okay, just take double leaf, okay, hold the very edge, okay, flick and just separate, and that's the chain. And a little concern for this chain is when you do the flick, okay, here, after you do the flick, I need you to stay or freeze in this moment, okay, for a while, because there's a possibility you will end up in this condition. Okay, I call this a mess up condition. Okay, so you need to hold like this for a moment, and you just square the deck, everything, and just move the final card. Okay, so here, after you do the chain, okay, and just freeze a moment, okay, because you will need to cover, okay, this mess up condition. Okay, just freeze a moment and just square the deck and just move the final card. Okay, just for a moment. Okay, just in case you end up with that mess condition. Okay, like this, here, here, okay, and maybe you end up with this condition. This final card help you to cover, and you just square everything and move the final card. Okay, so here, okay, remember, okay, just execute the chain, press it for a moment, square the deck, and just move the final card. So one time, just take double leaf, okay, take double leaf and just flick twice, one, two, three, and that's the chain. You end up with one card. Of course, you can hand out this for examination.